This is what you call, anything that's in the wall we call rough-in, okay? Anything after the drywall's put in is considered finish. So, you know, I would come in, I would do all this rough-in work, I'd rough in these copper lines here, but now when I come back after the drywall's put in place and these are stubbed out, the cabinet's in place, now I'm gonna come in and I wanna put valves on. Now I have to shut the water off. I've gotta cut these lines, I've gotta put valves on, which we sell, by the way. It's a kind of a pain in the rear end, but now with the motor boxes, I can have all that installed already during the rough. There you go, perfect. Thanks, Chris.
I tried.
So during the rough, I would, in here, and I could flip this, bring my lines right down into here. This is already sitting here, so now when the drywall goes in and the cabinet goes in, now all I gotta do is come back, put my supply lines on there. Huge, like I said, you know, your average day, you don't go around thinking about these things, but your plumber does. So, so it's, you know, what we're doing is we're making cool stuff, but it's helping the plumbing trades.